Yeah. Okay. So today topic is
where it is.
no, yeah. That's fine. Okay. ACL. So ACL stands for Access Control List. What is ACL? Actually, if you want to understand the ACL thing, actually ACL access list we are using for the packet filtering. Okay, packet filtering means if you want to filter your traffic, okay, on the router, okay, so you can use this access list. If there is no access list, then any kind of traffic you can send or any kind of traffic can pass from your router. But if there is access list, so you can control that flow, like what kind of traffic you want to pass and what kind of traffic you want to block, what kind of traffic you want to allow. Okay, so for that purpose we are using this.
It's like firewall.
Yeah, it's a kind of firewall, but actually this is through the on the router. Firewall is a separate device, okay, which is designed for that particular job. But this access list we are using for the traffic which is going between the router, so you can filter, okay. And there are two types of access list. The first is standard and extended. Standard access list and extended access list. What is standard access list? If the access list is starting from 1 to 100, that means the access list is coming in the category of standard. And what is extended? If it's coming from 100 to 200, actually this is 99, 1 to 99, okay, and then 100 to 200. There actually this is the main difference, but if you want to understand the conceptual difference between standard and extended access list is, what is standard access list? Standard access list we are using for full control. So what do you mean by full control? Full control means either you want to allow or deny. There are only two options. Either you want to allow everything or you want to block everything, okay. So that is standard access list. Because we don't have more option in standard access list. For example, in extended access list, we have the option either we can block ping traffic or allow telnet traffic, okay. So these kind of options are available only in extended access list, okay. In standard we don't have such option, like I want to block some particular traffic, I want to block some telnet, or I want to block ping, or any kind of particular traffic is not possible. You have to select either block, either allow, or to deny. There is no more option in the standard access list. But in extended access list we have the option. We can select a particular protocol, or we can select ping, allow, and we just select talent to block. Okay, so these kind of options are available only in the extended access list. And after this, when we will go for the lab, so then you will understand everything. Okay. Okay, now for applying the access list, there are 3 steps. Okay, if you want to understand how to apply the access list, there are 3 simple steps. You cannot do this thing in one step. Okay, so you have to understand each step. Okay, so this is clear, standard and extended. Okay. So we will start from the standard access list. First of all, I will make one diagram, and then you will understand the main difference. Suppose this is your router, and this router is connected with your LAN. This is your LAN. Okay. This is PC1, this is PC2, this is PC3, PC4, PC1, 2, 3 and 4. And this is the Ethernet 0/0, the interface which is facing the LAN. Okay. And this is your router A. Okay. And this IP address is 10.10.10.1. This is 10.10.10.2. Okay. And this is 10.10.10.3, and this is 10.10.4. Now, for example, if there is no access list, so any PC like this PC1, PC2, PC3 and PC4 can access the router without any problem. And suppose this is the IP address 10.10.10.10. Suppose, for example, you want to block PC number 3. You don't want to allow PC number 3 to access the router, because access maybe the router is connected with the outside world, with the internet or with the WAN or whatever, but you want to allow all these computers, but only PC number 3, which is having the IP address 10.10.10.3. so you want to disable this computer to access the router. So these kind of thing you can do from the standard access list. Okay, because you just want to completely close the access of 10.10.3 or PC number 3 to the router. So this is possible through the standard access list. And how we can apply access list? There are 3 simple steps. Okay, so step number 1. Okay, so what is the step number 1? Step number 1 is to block the specific IP address. Okay, and then process number 2, to apply the access list on particular interface. Okay. And then step number 3, to open the access, for other hosts. Okay. So these are the 3 steps you have to remember before you are going to apply access list. If you miss a single step, then access list will not work. So the first step is to block the specific IP address. So now here I will show you the commands. Okay. So the first command is because whenever we are going to apply access list, so from the config mode, access list 1, okay, this is the access list, and then deny 10.10.10.3, okay, and after that you have to apply the wildcard mask, and that wildcard mask is, because in wildcard mask there are two options, 0 and 255. 0 means to check the consecutive bits, and 255 means to ignore the consecutive bits. So you have two options, either you can use 0 or you can use 255 in this case. So at this moment we have to catch the host. So that means we have to check each and every bit. We have to check each octet. So if you want to check each octet, the wildcard mask is 0.0.0.0. So this is the wildcard mask to catch the particular host. Okay. If you want to catch the whole network, then
250.
no. If you want to catch the whole network, 0.255.255.255, then the whole 10 network will be blocked. But we don't want to block the whole 10 network. We just want to catch the particular host. So the host address is 10, 10, 10, 3. These 4 octets we have to check. So that's why it comes 0, 0, 0 and 0.
So it is access list 1 deny.
Access list 1 space deny, because we are going to block that particular
That
host.
1 stands for the first list.
Yeah, the number. We have to mention the number, na? From 1 to 99. Because all access lists, if it's standard, is starting from 1 till 99. So we can use any particular number. Let's say we can use 1, we can use 2, we can use 3. So we are using 1. Okay, and this depend upon you. Any number you can use. Access list 1 deny 10.10.3.
So, but
the host address.
If it does just one thing, why keep this range from 1 to 99? We could just keep one number for standard and.
Because sometimes you may be required more than one access list. That's why.
So it's like through this access list I'll be blocking 10.3.
Yeah.
With another access list I can block.
Yeah, you can block any other system, any other host is up to you. Okay, so this is the step number 1. Okay, now the step number